Hola, hola, I'm Désirée Iturbide, and today I'm going to show you how to draw an elephant. We will start by making an oval shape, and then we will have a circle for the head. We will make another oval, which is going to be the ear. This is just to guide you. Okay, I like to draw animals and objects and everything basically using geometrical figures. I'm gonna make here another circle and here an oval. You might wonder what is this for, but this is just to give you an idea where is going to come the nose and the tail. Okay, the legs are basically we're gonna make them with using rectangles shapes, and remember the feet are quite wide, so I'm gonna make triangles. I'm gonna make another one because this elephant is walking, so one leg goes to the front, one leg goes to the back. Here one leg to the front and the one to the back I'm gonna divide in two pieces to give more the impression that is taking a step. Now we can just get all the pieces together. I'm going to start here in the head, and with this shape it will help us to find a way to make the trunk and the nose. Now we're going to do one leg. Remember the feet are wider. The other leg here, the belly, this leg is coming here with the feet, this leg is behind, so I'm gonna just make my foot this way. We have the ear. Some ear, they have different shapes, right? So I'm gonna just make like this. The eye is pretty close to the area from the nose. I'm gonna make the eye here. It's also like shape of an apple seed. And if you're not sure how to make the tusks, we can do again the shape of an oval, and this will help us to guide where they should be. So I'm gonna make the shape here, and from here this will help me how to draw it, and then the one that is behind. Finally we'll end up the body plus the tail. Remember they have at the end of the tail a little thing with hairs. Okay, I'm gonna make here area where my elephant is walking. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And there are lots of them to come.